Hello friends, welcome to Ichayahar. Today I will show you how to make doi rui or rohu fish in yogurt gravy or sauce. It is a very popular Bengali traditional fish recipe. It is yummy, delicious, very tasty. Bengalis prepare this dish, doi rui or fish in yogurt gravy or sauce, in their special occasions. This recipe is very easy, so try it at home and let me know how you liked it. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichayahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my new videos. Now let's see what ingredients are required for making doi rui or rohu fish in yogurt. Rohu fish 250 grams marinated with turmeric and salt. Yogurt beaten 100 ml. Cardamom 3 pieces. Cinnamon 3 sticks. Cloves 5 pieces. Onion paste 2 tablespoons. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Ginger paste half tablespoon. Slitted green chilies 3 pieces. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Salt as per taste. Chopped coriander leaves 2 tablespoon. Sugar as per taste. Mustard oil for frying the fish pieces as per your requirement. Sunflower oil for making the fish curry, the amount of oil you consume. Now let's see the process of making doi rui or rohu in yogurt gravy or sauce. Pour some mustard oil in a pan, then heat the oil for frying the fish pieces. Now the oil is hot enough to fry the marinated fish pieces. So add the marinated fish pieces to the hot oil for frying. We have to fry each side of the fish pieces until they turn golden brown. For that, fry them on medium-high flame. To fry each side of the fish, it takes around 3 minutes time to make them golden brown. Add a pinch of salt to the oil before adding the fishes for frying so that they do not splutter too much. Now we can see that frying the fish pieces is complete. So keep them aside in a bowl or plate. Now I will cook doi rui or rohu dahi in sunflower oil. Since this recipe requires less spice and light cooking oil, will enhance the taste of this recipe. Now the oil has become hot, so add whole garam masala. Now add onion paste and fry it for 2 minutes till it becomes little brown in color. Now add garlic paste and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown color appears. Now we can see the golden brown color. So now add slitted green chilies and ginger paste. Then stir it for 15 to 20 seconds. Now add the beaten yogurt and mix it well and cook for 3 minutes on a medium flame. If you want more gravy in your curry, then add little water after adding beaten yogurt. Now add salt and sugar as per your taste and stir it for 1 minute. Now add the fried fish pieces to the gravy and mix them with the gravy very well and let it cook for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now add the chopped coriander leaves to the fish curry and cook for 2 minutes. Now lastly add garam masala powder to the fish curry and then cook for 1 minute on a low flame. Now doi rui or rojo in yogurt gravy or sauce is ready. And garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and slitted green chilies. Thanks for watching my video. I will again come back with a new recipe video. Bye for now, take care and have a nice day.